Miaraho ya tariki ithano ya mweri wa mbere ari mweri wa Januari. Miaraho ya tariki ithano mweri ari wa Januari mwaka ari uyu mwero wa 2024 ni muhoko wakwa ati we muthenya waku ni urage gutwarithia wega na ni muhoko wakwa ati ni uragithie na mbere kwirorera ceceni ya Muthingi TV ni nani ndaikaria giti giki ni getha ngoro ngikumenyithia maria andiki aitu magitumathire ithaini riri no mbere ndayari atwambe twamukire matemo mamo. Na mamwe wa maria tukuhaririirie ni ati
hata judiciary hapa hakuna malaika peke yako, kuna hata mashetani huko pia.
We are having judiciary that has gone rogue. While we respect the principle of independence,
atongoria ngurani Gutetera Ruto ni gukirira ruhonge rwa magoti.
Siogopi binadamu yoyote. In the next few days, I am going to name the people who are frauding NHIF.
Minister wa ugima wa mwere Susan na kumincha kuhita kuhurana na uishi wa kigina kia NHIF. Anyitite sekta-ini ya ugima wa mwere kwambika kabeni ya uthomithania wa murimo wa kansa. Getio kinene tikira ukorwo kigushia jengwa yaku ni getha ngoro ngikumenyithia mau na mangĩ maingĩ aria kwagetika wa boy wa jao mutamburuko uyu no ukorwo kiwamukira kuria mwena wa YouTube ario Muthingi TV no ukorwo witutigira ndumiriri yaku mwena wa Facebook ario Muthingi TV tukirika kiondo-ini gitu senator wa county ya Nandi mundu guta Samson Cherargei ni ateteire mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto thutha wake gutungio haro ya kugati ni akuregana na matua ma igoti. Cherargei augete ati ona kene ukorwa kiambika dereti kuria mwena wa Senate akiuga ati President William Ruto akiri na mahinya ukorwa gitwarithia wira wake na mbere kuma thirikari-ini yake ya Kenya Kwanza.
we are having judiciary that has gone rogue. While we respect the principle of independence of judiciary and principle of separation of powers, we always think as parliament that judiciary normally oversteps their mandate, because the work of judiciary is to interpret the law. The work of the executive is to implement, and the work of parliament is to legislate and lawmaking process. What we are seeing as a country is where there is what we call overreach and overstating of their mandate. I think judiciary must be called to order. I said last year that the current judiciary we have has gone rogue. While we appreciate that the rule of law and judicial independence should be respected, that one does not extend to judicial impunity and corruption. We are in a country now at the moment that Kenyans are saying, why hire a lawyer if you can pay a judge? And that is the we don't want to see. Mimi mwenyewe mwaka hii mwezi wa pili tukirudi bunge la Senate nitaleta motion ya kuchunguza zile pesa zinaenda kwa judiciary zinafanya kazi gani.
Kama kuna miscarriage of justice, I agree with the president. Kwa hivyo hata judiciary hapa hakuna malaika peke yako, kuna hata mashetani huko pia. So in every society there is an abnormality. Katika executive kuna abnormalities, katika judiciary kuna abnormalities, hata katika parliament kuna abnormalities. So every part of the society they have their weaker part. Tusijibisiane hapa ati rais amesema hii law society demonstrate, we will also demonstrate against you.
Tugetigana na icio minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki akiaria ari mwena wa
taka wapatiwe nafasi kuongea na wananchi ili mifugo ambao wameibiwa hapa warudishwe. Vile vile wananchi wanasema kwa sababu hawaamini hawa wanasiasa, hawaamini. Wanasema watu wanadanganya serikali. Tungetaka hiyo operation ianze saa hii, wacha si hata kesho saa hii. ndio waumizwe walete nia yetu. Kati ya hao MCS wetu na wazee hakuna mtu ako na makosa. Tutaifanya yote. Niliwapatia kazi siku ile ya Achas Post, bado nangojea majibu. The operation is on. Yeah, we need to start. Na si operation ya siku mbili, hadi miezi 3, hadi mwaka moja, ni operation ya milele. Na viongozi, hiyo program nasema anzeni saa hii. Kabla operation sijatangaza, kwa sababu operation ni lazima. Operation ni lazima. Lakini anzeni saa hii. Kwa hivyo mimi kama waziri wenu tutatoa pesa ya serikali kuwapatia nyinyi. Muende msaidiane na security officers na whatever engagement you want to have. Mimi nataka kusikia kutoka kesho mifuko ngapi wamerudishwa kesho, kesho kutwa, Jumapili, Jumatatu, daily returns.
Nafura tumale tadira mabgalgala chufe. Naragetu asinge chuferu. Warisa
na tukithie na mbere minister wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Kumincha ni ahitite ni akuburania aria makoretwo makihura kana makihurwa na kigana kigina gia guthaitira arwaru akia NHIF akiaria ari thibitari-ini wa St Mary's Mumias kaunti-ini ya Kakamega. Na Kumincha augite ati marita thirikari ni maokorwo magitigirira ati mu Kenya o wothe ekorwo akirigitwo na njira iria yagirire.
Tumeleta sheria ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba tunapunguza hiyo pesa, na katika pia sheria mpya ya afya tumeleta ile tunaita critical illness, chronic and emergency fund. So katika hii sheria mpya serikali inataka kushughulikia hao watu free of charge, lakini niko na changamoto kidogo tu. Mnajua kuna wale watu wameenda kotini kusema ya kwamba mimi nilifanya kazi haraka sana kuleta sheria, sasa wamenichelewesha. Nimesikia judges wataketi hii wiki, nataka muwaombe wakuwe na busara. And I want to confirm Kenyans, mimi judges wakisema hiyo kesi wametupilia mbali, within 2 weeks tutaanza kuandikisha watu wa kulipa 300 shillings. Within 2 weeks tutaanza mipango ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba hiyo critical illness fund iko hapo, ndio Wakenya waanze kupata faida. Lakini nataka pia niombe Wakenya, you know, it doesn't make sense ya kwamba wewe uko na comprehensive taxpayers of this country, na tukianza kufanya mpango ya hawa kupata bima ya afya unaenda unapinga kotini. It is not fair. I want to send a warning that anybody who is engaged in fraud, your days are numbered. And in the next few days, mimi siogopi. Mimi siogopi. Siwa mnaona nimejifunga kitambaa ya CWA. Kwa hivyo siogopi binadamu yoyote. In the next few days, I am going to name the people who are frauding NHIF. Kwa sababu hatutaendelea kuongea pembeni, watu wanafikiria tunaosema tu. I am going to name them, all the hospitals that have been getting money. I'm going to name them. Na siogopi mtu. Mimi nataka kuhakikisha ya kwamba hakuna mtu anaiba pesa ya serikali, na hiyo pesa inakuja hapa chini kuhudumia Wakenya.
Na tukithie na mbere ni ati gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia o mundu ni gitwarite cira igoti-ini guthitanga thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni kiria maugite ati ni marakorwo makihuthira ikundi cia andu a boda boda oru na ningi o hamwe na mama mboga, na kuria kana gikundi giki kiugite ati andu aya kana ikundi ci igire itikoretwo igikuruhanio kana itikoretwo ikihoya rutha netha makorwo makihuthira kuria makwite ati marakienda gukorwo makirihwo ciringi bilioni itanyiheire magana.
I am Professor Fred Ogola. I am the leader of Linda Jamii. I'm here with my fellow members of Bunge la Wananchi, Malindi chapter. We are here to address the media on the matter where Linda Jamii has taken the United Democratic Party, Kenya Kwanza administration to court because they are violating the socio-economic rights and the fundamental rights of the freedoms of Boda Boda and Mama Mboga. So Linda Jamii has sued the Kenya Kwanza administration for using the goodwill of Mama Mboga and Boda Boda without permission for political gain. The High Court has been asked to fine Kenya Kwanza a total of 426 billion shillings, which is the worth for the goodwill of Boda Boda and Mama Mboga. Why are we reaching that figure? Boda Boda and Mama Mboga contributes 80%. That whole sector contributes 80% of the GDP. Boda Boda alone contributes 1 billion shillings per year to the economy. If you take annually, that is 365 billion shillings that he contributes in terms of revenue to the Kenyan economy. So we are asking the following. The court should declare that Kenya Kwanza administration, their employees and everybody else should not use the term Boda Boda and Mama Mboga without permission until this case is heard and determined. Secondly, the court should declare that Kenya Kwanza administration should be able to compensate Boda Boda and Mama Mboga a total of 426 billion shillings, which is the goodwill which they used to reach into power.
No anyiti itemi matiganite kuma sekta-ini ya ugima wa mwiri ni matafanĩtie kambeini ya uthomithania bata wa gukorwo githima kana andu makorwo magithimwo murimu wa cancer muno marongoreirie arume makoragwo magitigira gukorwo magithie thibitari-ini haria mamoretie ati ni wega gukorwo mundu agithi kwimenya kana hihi akiri na dalili cia murimu uyu wa cancer.
Watu wanakuja pamoja, wanashauriwa, so that we enlighten the members of the society. Tuambie wananchi ya kwamba ukiwa na kansa sio kifo. Ni sawa sawa? Unanipata vizuri?
Tunafanya prostate cancer screening and all other cancer screening, and we refer them mahali wanatakana kuenda kuonekana. Na hii tumefanya ndio tumeona wengi wameanza kujitolea. Kama hii mwaka tumepata zaidi ya watu 80 wale tumefanyia screening ya hii cancer, na ndio sasa natutia moyo ili tuendelee kufanya hii cancer screening na kupeana ujumbe kwa wengi wale hawajajua kwa wote. Wanaume pia wanapata kansa ya matiti, kwa vile hiyo ni kitu tumepata inaonekana inaendelea kusambaza kulingana na ile masingara vile watu wanaishi siku hizi, na pia ile chakula watu wanaendelea kutumia, na ukoo pia unachangia.
Mwanaume si mtu ameumbwa wa kushindwa na jambo lolote, hata katika afya yake upenda kupigana na kujitahidi katika kufanya au katika majukumu yake. Hivyo basi inakuwa ni ngumu sana anapoumwa na kwa haraka aweze kukimbia na kumuona daktari juu ya jambo ile. Kuna changamoto nyingine muhimu sana, ni ile elimu au create ile awareness, wajue na waelewe huu ugonjwa wa kansa unaweza, kwa mtu anapo kujijua mapema unaweza kuwa na control au unaweza pata matibabu kiasi kwamba ambaye inaweza kumweka maisha yake yaendelee. Changamoto ya tatu ni kwamba kuna ile dhana ya kwamba magonjwa mengine si magonjwa kamili, yamesababishwa aidha na mambo ya kuhusu kama uchawi au mambo ya kijamii, na hivyo basi inaleta utata sana katika ile kuchukua huu ugonjwa kama ni ugonjwa kama ule mwingine.
Na ripoti ya kuma Korea mwena wa Kitengela ni raikorwo gitwekanya gaituka mbere gauko tugikiria akorwo githie kura yukuona ati ni ndiracokereria na magi maingi guku hari kwa Muthingi TV.
Milk, Clovis Food Products, Velvex, Magic Drink, Pwani Oil, Arenco, Fruit Juice, Master Chef, Toilex, Coolsip, Mika, Wash Ultra, Philos, Prestol, Nivea, Arimis Jelly, Cabernet Water, Dettol, Ketepa, Meta, Glucose, Coca-Cola, Rosy Tissue, Big Giant, Elbins, Unilever, Fresh, Unga wa Dola, Blueband na Pasta Star. Shindano la Chota Kuchota linaanza tarehe 1 Disemba hadi tarehe 10 Februari mwaka 2024.
Hetia Supermarket, a world of choice.
Na nitwacokereria ngatho cia mwanya ni guthie na mbere na kwirorera ceceni ya Muthingi TV agikiri Gikunjuro kia Mohoro. Ni ngatho cia mwanya ni kunyitanira na ithuĩ na tugicoka kĩondo-inĩ gitu. Arĩmi a kahũa kuma kĩganda kĩa mũkĩangĩria gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga ni marumũkana ni magĩkorwo makĩyumĩria mũcemanio-inĩ wa arĩmi ũroretetwo nĩ thothaitĩ ya kahũa ya kabare, na kũrĩa maragĩkorwo makiuga atĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa thothaitĩ ĩno ndakoretwo akĩmateithĩrĩria, na ũguo ni magũkorwo magĩcaria njĩra ĩrĩa wo magĩkorwo magĩteithĩka ta ũrĩa mwandĩki witũ Njeri wa Ndũng'ũ aratarĩria.
Arĩmi a kahũa gĩthĩi-inĩ kĩa mũkĩangĩria gabere gĩcũgũ kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga nĩ matetete kumana na kwaga mũndũ wa kũmarũgamĩrĩra kamĩtĩ-inĩ ya thothaitĩ ya kahũa ya kabere, makiuga manyitithanĩtio na gĩthĩi gĩa Kĩangũthe na mũndũ ũrĩa mahetwo ndakoretwo akĩmateithia na kwarĩrĩria mabata mao.
Meita mingi meita matatu maka matura ntukira solution ya ndo wanyu magira gutu tiramwenda tondu akora na kithi yake no gutegura atwikira
ete thothaitĩ ĩno kiumia kĩmwe kũrwo imahete rũtha rwa gũthura mũndũ ũrĩa ũkũmarũgamĩrĩra, na kwaga ũguo matigũkorwo makĩendia kahũa kao na matigwĩtĩkĩra kahũa kao kwendio kuma gĩthĩi-inĩ gĩkĩ.
Kahũa gitu twarete thĩinĩ wa factory ĩno itu tutimenyaga ona kũrĩa gatwaragwo kwa mira, tutimenyaga kendagio nako. Ũndũ ũcio rĩu ũgeka atĩ ũgatũrakaria, na nĩkĩo mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ tũgũkĩte nĩgetha tũgĩe na mũkamĩtĩ witũ ũrĩa tũkoragia ciũria, ũrĩa tũrĩmũragia kahũa gitu ũrĩa karathi, tondũ ũrĩa akoretwo agĩtũrũgamĩrĩra kuma Kĩangũthe ona rĩrĩa tũcokagĩria ciũria citũ kana agatwĩra ũrĩa kahũa gitu kathiaga na mbere.
Hĩndĩ ya mũcemanio na arũgamĩrĩri a thothaitĩ, arĩmi aya mahinyĩrĩirio kũmũrũrũka na gũtiganĩria mũcemanio ũyũ, makiuga nĩ marakũngio wara ũrũgamĩrĩri-inĩ wa thothaitĩ ĩno.
Twathikĩrĩria mararia cooperative mwena wao twagĩrĩ kwaria ndaratũthikĩria gũthiũrũkia tũkĩmenyaga wega atĩrĩrĩ atĩ mbaĩro ici maragweta nĩ invalid. Akorwo constitution ĩracenjua ĩgekwo amendment no mbaĩro ĩtangĩkwa.
Gĩthĩi gĩkĩ gĩa kahũa kĩa mũkĩangĩria gĩkoretwo kĩnyitithanĩtio na gĩthĩi gĩa Kangũthe harĩ ũrũgamĩrĩri thothaitĩ-inĩ ya kabere, ũndũ ũrĩa arĩmi aya mareganĩte naguo, makiuga ũũ nĩ mũgarũ kuona nĩ mongereire kiro cia kahũa ona gũkĩra ithĩi iria ingĩ ciĩrũgamĩrĩire. Matongoretio nĩ James Mathenge ũrĩa nĩ mũrĩmi wa kahũa gĩthĩi-inĩ gĩkĩ, mugĩte nĩ marakungio wara kuona mũndũ ũrĩa maheirwo arũgamĩrĩre kuma gĩthĩi-inĩ gĩkĩ gĩa Kĩangũthe ndakoretwo akĩmatetera, kuona ona gĩthĩi gĩkĩ gĩa Kangũthe arĩmi nĩ makoretwo makĩrĩhwo wega kumakĩra.
Rĩrĩa rĩti kuma cia kahũa gĩthĩi tũbakanĩte na kĩamba gĩtagwo Kĩangũthe, ũgakora nĩ kĩratũcinda na kĩra na mbeca makĩria ciringi ta 20, na ũngĩona kahũa kĩa zone ĩmwe gĩthĩi gĩkĩ mũcinda na kĩra na mbeca ta ciringi 20, nĩ kuga kuona kaũndũ gakoretwo gakĩthiwa na mbere gagĩkwa kana ithuĩ tũtaramenya.
Peter Mũriũki Bundi ũrĩa nĩ mũrĩmi gĩthĩi-inĩ gĩkĩ augĩte rĩu nĩ mahete thothaitĩ ĩno mũkana wa thikũ 7 cia gwĩtĩkĩra arĩmi gũkorwo na mũrũgamĩrĩri wao, kwaga ũguo nĩ mekũrũrũngana rĩngĩ na kũgerio kwendio gwa kahũa karĩa karĩ gĩthĩi-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩa mũkĩangĩria.
Tondu gĩthĩi gĩkĩ gĩkoretwo kĩgwatanĩtio na gĩthĩi kĩa Barũgongo gĩtagwo gĩa Kĩangũthe, na rĩu production itũ nĩ ĩkoretwo ĩrĩ igũrũ mũno, tũkera kamĩtĩ ĩrĩa tũkoretwo nayo ĩtũbe mũkamĩtĩ no namo nĩ makorwo marega.
Ngĩribotera Muthingi TV, njĩtagwo Njeri wa Ndũng'ũ.
Agatha cia mwana Jerry wa Ndung'u ndo wa riboti yo tugithie na mbere no arimi a mucere guku bururi-ini makiri na mwihoko wa gukorwo makiongerera magetha mao thutha wa mutaramu mundu gwitwo Professor Njiro kuongerera kana gukana mbegu njeru ya mucere iria rikoragwo ikimahe tani 11 hari o eka no gwegatuika ni ati iyo iri ngarama kana igukorwo ari uteithio hari murimi guku bururi-ini.
Sehemu za Thika Makongeni. Bwana Mwangi, habari gani?
Salama sana, habari yako?
Niko fiti, habari ya Thika?
Kuko salama kabisa, kajua leo kidogo.
Amazing. Umekula ngapi ya Thika box daddy?
So my name is Professor Paul Njiro from University of Embu. I'm a rice breeder and currently here at Moya Miant, where we are introducing a new variety which has been bred from our labs. This is purely bred here in Kenya from local varieties, and in this variety we have crossed Basmat 370 with a dwarf variety so that we can be able to provide an alternative to Basmat, which has got one, shorter in plant height, two, it can resist lodging, and it is super yielding. Like the one we are presenting here today is able to triple the yield of Basmat, whereby Basmati yield is 4.1 tons per hectare, and here we are presenting this one, which is tested to be 11 tons per hectare. This is a remarkable achievement because we are moving towards food security. You can see the comparison. This is the Basmat to my left. This is the Basmat variety, which is quite tall in stem, you can see. Compared to the new variety we are releasing, this is the new variety we are releasing.
Na areta njira ya kuhura githomo njeki guku bururi-ini thirikari ni erutanirie gukorwo ikirekereria kigina kia NGCDF gicunjia-ini kia 100% nigetha macukuru mothe makorwo mamukirite kigina giki riri cukuru citanyitwo kuhingurwo kiumia giukite. Mubunge wa Kiharu ariwe Ndindi Nyoro na nowe mwikana nowe mutwarithia wa budget bururi-ini augite ati kigina giki kia NGCDF abunge matigakorwo magithinika kuona ati kiriho.
On development, the head gainers are our bosses who are the people of Kenya. Na nikimaliza hiyo, niseme kama chairman wa budget, we are working around the clock to make sure that NGCDF resources and funds are released hopefully this week or next week so that learners can be able to be capacitated through NGCDF via bursaries to join various schools and also to report in their ongoing schools. So, nataka nihakikishia Wakenya wote ile maneno tunaangalia sana ni vile tunaokota pesa kama kodi. We prioritize NGCDF because it goes a long way into supporting learners in regards to bursaries.
Obviously, everybody knows, it's in the public domain, that the chair of budget, Ndindi Nyoro, the MP for the area, is the best performing MP quite a few times, and that's in the utilization of CDF. So when I saw it was posted on our wall, I said, you know what, my team is, even though we have NGAF, it's a completely different mandate, we should come here and learn from each other. And I've learned a lot, especially, I mean, for me, I think every MP in Nairobi should really look into this model because, one, you bring the fee down to 1,000 shillings, so it's affordable. Right now, people are struggling with resources.
Very little work. So the biggest lesson that we take from here is that you can use creatively the little money that you have and you give a lot of value with that money. We take home the Limubora program, mambo ya labor-based, very good, we are trying, but we are taking home the Limubora program that we want to try. And just to tell Kenyans that future elections will be based on development track record. Future elections, historia ya kupigia watu mastori mingi na hadithi inakwisha na hii.
na gĩtĩo kĩnene njĩtĩkĩria ngoro gĩgũtwara nginya kũrĩa iharo-inĩ na kuo ngũmenyithia ũrĩa ciana cia atumia cirakĩgarĩkana rĩ ta njĩra ya kũrũa na ũici wa mahiũ na ũhũthĩri wa ndawa cia kũrebia harĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ wadi-inĩ ya Mohoro ya irathĩro harĩ ndĩno cukuru hingĩtwo gwa kahinda karaihu. Mbĩtĩka iria ciragĩkorwo igĩthakwo nĩ mbĩtĩka cia Mjumbe Cup iria iratabanirio kũu mwena ũcio, na kũrĩa muoroto wacio arĩ kũrehe mbeũ njĩthĩ hamwe na ningĩ gũkorwo makĩnyihanyihia ũici wa mahiũ, kũrĩa mũmbunge Jackson Lekomentere augĩte atĩ mbĩtĩka ici nĩ iragĩkorwo ikĩmateithĩrĩria gũkorwo makĩrũnga mĩtugo ya mbeũ njĩthĩ.
Tumeona wakati huu ambaye vijana wako nyumbani kwa muda mrefu waweze kuwa busy ili waweze kuja kucheza pamoja, na vijana wakikuja pamoja inasaidia sana na amani. Unajua the youth ndio sana sana wao wanatumika kwenda pengine mambo ya hata wizi wa ng'ombe na nini, lakini wakikuja pamoja vijana wanaweza kuinteract wakiwa makabila sote ambayo wako hapa Samburu East, na tunaweza kuminimize hiyo mambo kidogo ambaye vijana wanajiingiza mara kwa mara. Kwa hivyo tuko hapa kwa sababu ya hiyo, na vijana wetu nataka kuwapongeza kwa sababu wamekuja kutoka Waso, Wamba North, Wamba West na hapa Wamba East. Vijana wako hapa na inaona wako pia wana furaha kucheza. Vijana wakikuja pamoja inasaidia sana kwa sababu nalete vijana wote wa Samburu East pamoja, na ile mambo hata ya drugs inakuwa vijana wako busy. Kwa hivyo mchezo inasaidia sana vijana.
So siku ya leo tuko na furaha kubwa sana kujumuika na vijana wetu kutoka ward mbalimbali kuja kucheza mchezo ya Mjumbe Cup. Tunashukuru pia mheshimiwa wetu Honorable Lekomentere kwa all the facilitation ya vijana, na pia through NGCDF mambo yote imeweza kufanyika kwa amani.
Hii Mjumbe imetusaidia sana kwa sababu hata tulianza na ward, tuko na vijana wote karibu ya ward 4, na imetuepusha na mambo ya drugs, imetupea tukue busy mambo ya wrestling, ya kuiba ng'ombe, ya kuiba mbuzi ama hata ya kuiba ngamia. Tuko na wizi mingi sana hapa, na tukiangalia vijana wakiwa hapa kwa sports kama mimi ni coach Matopeni, tunafurahia sana kwa sababu inatusaidia. Tunakuja tunakaa hapa, tunakula hapa, tunalala hapa, so ni imetusaidia sana, na tunashukuru Honorable Lekomentere kwa kutufanyia hii mambo.
Napenda sana hii sports inatuweka pamoja kama vijana, then sisi tungeomba mjumbe wetu at least atuwekee mara 2 kwa mwaka.
Na riboti ĩyo nĩ ĩragĩkorwo ĩgĩtwĩkĩrĩra gaturumo mohoro-inĩ kana gĩkũnjũro-inĩ gitũ kĩa mohoro ngatho cia mwanya nĩ wagĩkorwo ũkĩrorera tũcemanie wana ciahanda wega thaa 1 cia hwaĩ-inĩ, nĩgetha ngorwo gĩkũmenyithia mau na mangĩ maingĩ na njĩra nyandandũku. Thiĩ na mbere na gũkenerera tabarĩra cia Mũthingi TV. Niĩ Getĩka Wambui wa Njao.